Okay, let us start our task. Let us open Microsoft Excel 2016. And as you can see, I have here already a table. Actually, this is a class record. So as you can see, the names are not alphabetized, and then we do not have our numbers. We do not have here our entries, and then we need to we need to rank the students afterwards. So first thing to do is to alphabetize the name of our students. So if there are no entries here, for example, then there's no need for you to highlight all the data. You can just highlight the names of the students. But in this case, we already have their output, so we need to include highlighting their output, because if we will not do it, they will lose their quizzes or output. So let us start by clicking the surname of the first student and then click shift and arrow right. Okay, there. And then we end up there. Then after that, still click shift and then arrow downward up to the last part also. Okay. And then after that, you click A to C icon, particularly in the arrow. And then click sort A to C. So as you can see, we already have the names in alphabetical order. So next thing to do is to number the students without doing some extra effort. Just type numbers 1, 2, and 3. Then what you will do is just to highlight all these three numbers. Highlight, shift, and arrow down. Then you place the cursor on this side here in such a way that the cursor is already black cross, and then click left click and then drag downward up to the last student. Okay, and there you have it. You already number your students. Then let's do the copy and pasting. Since we do not have the equivalent, we will do some little of calculation. But I will have some tutorial on this on my next video. Okay. And then the equivalent we have here. Okay, so there we have our total, our equivalent, and our percentages. So we wanted to copy. So you can have this technique in copying. You can click 120, click copy, and then click the second row below the highlighted one, and then click shift and arrow downward, and then up to the last name, click paste. Okay, you can have this one, keep source formatting. There, we copy all. So that is one way of copying our data. And another technique is just click also the one that you wanted to copy. Then just place the cursor here in this side. Make sure that the cursor is already uh, black cross to look at. Then click left click and then just drag it downward. And you will copy all the equivalent of the students. So that's simple it is. You can also do the same here. So if ever you think that the second one is the best, you can just do it in the next row, next column. Then click and drag. There we have it. We already have the equivalent and the percentages. So that is how easy we copy and paste our data. So next is to alphabetize the no, let us have the last one, how to rank our students. So in ranking, we will not start highlighting in the name part, but we have to start in the final grade. So we'll start here. Just click and then click shift and arrow downward like that. And then just shift again and then click to the left up to the name of the students. Okay, not the numbering, just like that. And then you need to click again this icon, this time from largest to smallest. Just click it there and then there we have it. We already arranged our students from has the highest grade up to the lowest in grade. Okay, that is how simple our tutorial. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. So do not forget, if you like this video, please do not hesitate to click the like button below, and do not also hesitate to subscribe my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you so much. And for today, bye bye. See you on my next video.